Are you looking for the best carpet cleaning solution? In this video, we will break down the top 6 carpet cleaning solutions on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1, Turtle Wax Power Out Carpet Cleaner. This carpet cleaner works great on the carpet of your car. Dirt shoes, salty boots, and dirty sneakers are common. Even if there is a hard car mat under the carpeting, it can clean up the dirt or splattered coffee of your commute by inserting fine fibers into the floor of your car. Its exclusive ODOR-X technology destroys odors at the molecular level. It is formulated with oxygenated cleaners for professional strength cleaning. Also, this carpet cleaner for cars is a ready-to-apply formula and includes an attached fine bristle brush to scrub stains. Spray the carpet shampoo onto car carpets or mats, let it sit for at least 1 minute for heavy stains, then scrub with the brush to lift dirt and remove odors. At number 2, MEGUIAR'S G9719 Carpet Cleaner. This product is designed to lift the dirt with the foaming action and dries quickly, leaving no residue. For the most part, it works as advertised. However, there are times when you will need to apply multiple times to achieve the level of cleanliness you want. The odor is strong for some while cleaning, but after use, it does leave a clean, pleasant odor. As with almost all general cleaners, there are times when this will not remove that mystery spot. And this product has removed some foul odors, but it does not contain an odor eliminator and will not remove most foul smells. At number 3, Chemical Guy's Carpet Extractor. This cleaner offers a lightning-fast carpet and upholstery stain extractor. It is designed to get rid of stains. This product promises to clean without destroying color or fading surfaces. Not only will it work on your car's carpet, but it's also good for upholstery, fabrics, sofas, and even sneakers. Also, it features a new hyper-cleaning formula that rapidly and thoroughly removes stains from your carpet. Get rid of those dirt, mud, coffee, juice, and pet stains easily and safely, and this product won't leave behind any sticky residue. Along with cleaning, this product also deodorizes at the same time, leaving your interior smelling fresh and clean. At number 4, FEBREZE Heavy Traffic Carpet Foam. This heavy traffic carpet foam is a great value that cleans, deodorizes, and dries quickly, all in a budget-friendly 4-pack. This foam helps remove dirt and protects car carpets from future stains with a formula that dries quickly and does not leave a sticky residue behind. The powers of FEBREZE and Gain also work together to root out odors trapped in carpet fibers and leave behind a pleasant scent. It uses an ionic and non-ionic surfactant strong enough to tackle odors caused by pets, tobacco, food, and more. To use, spray the entire car carpet or affected area, scrub with a cloth or soft brush, and vacuum. It provides an easy way to keep your home smelling fresh and clean. It contains an effective formula that removes more dirt than just vacuuming alone. Moreover, this carpet cleaner foam gets deep into the carpet fibers to remove trapped odors caused by smoke, pets, food, and moisture. It also protects the fibers against future staining and leaves behind a pleasing scent of Gain. At number 5, Spot Shot Carpet Stain Remover. This professional carpet stain remover is the best car carpet cleaner. Use this product once, and you'll see why it's the go-to solution for even the toughest stains. The extra strength formula specifically designed for professional cleaning companies can work wonders on any stains discoloring your vehicle's interior. One of the best features of this carpet stain remover is that it comes packaged in a 32-ounce spray bottle. That's plenty of cleaning products for even the biggest dirty jobs. The handy spray nozzle directs the solution exactly where you want it. An ergonomic frame allows for easy gripping and maneuvering into the tightest of spots, where stains like to hide best. It can be sprayed on almost any surface, from carpets and cloth seats to headliners and cloth door panels. But you don't need to scrub the area, because Spot Shot not only removes the stain, it deodorizes your carpets as well. However, one drawback of this product is that you'll have to use a steam cleaner, in addition, to get out the worst stains. The mix of hot water, and will likely do the trick. It should also not be sprayed on a surface and then left to dry, as mold may grow beneath the surface if left unattended. At number 6. AERO Cosmetics Interior Cleaner. This product has an overall formula that can be used throughout the car for a deep clean. It's tough on stains, but gentle on your seats, carpets, leather, and trim panels. It's very easy to use, and all you need for application is 2 small towels. One towel is used for blotting the product into the area, and the other for blotting dry. In addition, this cleaner will effectively remove beverage, makeup, mud, dirt, lotion, and any other spills. What makes this so popular is that it meets Boeing's aircraft interior specifications. This confirms the formula's potency, leaving a shining result that lasts.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.